Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use ClickUp as a CRM. In this video I'm going to teach you like all the things from lists and also how you can use it with boards. And we are going to use a template, but also I'm going to show you how you can build your own CRM just by yourself. Now the first thing I will do is when you're going to be in spaces, I can simply click a new space and let's create it by template. So search templates, I'm going to write CRM, and then here you're gonna have it like the sales pipeline. You want to click on it and then see that this space is the perfect way to track your sales pipeline from lead to client, and I'm going to click here use template. Then sales pipeline is going to be my CRM, and then you can like customize import items if you want to, and then you're gonna find the project dates, and you can have like the remap dates as a start date or end date. So let's say we are going to start from today, and if you want you can also skip weekends. So, and do you want to include archive tasks? That's another thing what you can do. Right now it's creating our space. And here we got. So what we can actually find here. Under my CRM, we can find one order, which is going to be the pipeline management, new leads, pipeline. And then you're going to have the account management, which is going to be current clients and past clients. So what we can actually find here. When you're going to click on a pipeline management, we can click on a new leads. And let's say this is a new lead, which we can add. So I can simply click new task and let's say Marcus client. Here you can simply assign it directly to someone like yourself, or due date, and then priority. I can also do something like this, that I can add a column and you can add multiple columns to that contact, like a phone, and also you can add their email, right? And we got it in folder. So that's what you can do. This is where you would find the lead. Now, when you're going to click, you're going to find also the pipeline here. And what you can find in pipeline? You're going to have the closed, the proposal, the demo, and qualified prospects. And you're going to always find what we can find here. First, assignee, last contact date. You can change the priority, email, contact, hospitality. Now what I can do, I can simply click plus view here, and I can add also the board. And we are going to see how it's going to look like. So here you're going to find unqualified, qualified prospects, demo, proposal, and then close, lost, close, won. And here you can even use the board for your CRM. Now I'm going to create also one video, guys, in which I'm going to teach you how you can create your own CRM without using the template. So if I forget to link it down below in the description, let me down below in the comments, because I really believe that some of the really important stuff is missing here. And like, yes, you have contact here, and I think this is also contact what you can copy, but this is not linked to the clients, right? So when we're gonna be in the clients and current clients, but also what I want to show in pipeline, that you can have also the industry here, which you can choose between the hospitality and engineering. So that's something interesting what you can do. So when we go further, we can go to account management, and here you can have the current clients, right? So these are the clients, and you're gonna have the computer store, and you're always gonna see the contact here, demo done, engagement inactive, plan business, right? What you can do also is I'm going to show you later in the video. You can have the add risk inactive, active, and you can simply like add a new task, and let's say this is going to be a Microsoft. Enter. Now I'm going to set the priority. Then I'm going to have let's say Bill Gates. And now you're gonna email opportunity. This can be $50,000. So plan unlimited business. Close date. And then payment type. You can add if it's going to be credit card, bank wire. Then you're gonna have the pending status if it's a quote sent. Engagement active, right? So that's what you can do, and that's what you can achieve. Then you're gonna also find the past clients under current clients, and in past clients you would have the past ones. Now here in engagement, you can simply choose also change the contact all the time. Then in engagement you're gonna have the list here. So you have like 3 views here. The list, renewed, attention needed, nurturing, onboarding. Then you're gonna have the engagement, add risk inactive, active, and then predict the revenue. So here you're gonna have like 13 tasks. And you can also add a list view if you want to. You can have also option to have a priority accounts. And you're gonna have, and you can change it by priority, right? So you're gonna have option to have urgent, high, normal, and you simply move here. So this is the Microsoft that we created, and I can have as a high priority. Again, I can go back here. I can go on engagement, and I can take Microsoft and put it here on inactive or at risk. And I would like call it, etc. Now I definitely recommend like adding a phone number and also other important stuff like email here. We got it here already, but I really believe that I can make this better. And I will create a tutorial in which I'm going to show step by step how you can use it. You're gonna find also the activations, automations. When the status changes, then move to list and change signee. So this is pretty much for it in this tutorial on how we can use Clickup for CRM. I'll definitely check the other video when you like the business guide CRM Clickup tutorial, and I'm going to create a complete new one because this is just like even the real estate that I was creating tutorial. I don't think that's really like enough, and you're gonna have like much more potential creating this whole thing by yourself alone and just getting inspiration from videos. Like in the moment when you're gonna create it by yourself, it's going to be more effective, much better. So that's for it from me. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day, an amazing time in this world. You know how it goes, you know how it is. If you're gonna have any questions regards Clickup that you want to ask about automations, you want to ask about, let's say, how we can work with, how we can create a new list view, how we can add like amazing columns here, like, because I really would like to have a phone number here. Then also you can have a formula directly combining how much money you spent on a CRM. So, and not CRM, but on a deal. And that's it. So thank you very much guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.